The WD Black 1TB C50 Expansion Card is the ultimate solution for enhancing the storage capacity of your Xbox Series X or Series S, eliminating the need for frequent game deletions and reinstallations. This officially licensed expansion card for Xbox is plug-and-play, making it extremely user-friendly and requiring no additional software or installation steps. The card leverages Xbox Velocity architecture, ensuring the same performance level as the internal storage of your Xbox Series X or Series S. The WD Black C50 Expansion Card offers storage capacities ranging from 512 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, allowing gamers to keep more of their favorite titles installed and ready to play. Unlike other solutions that require transferring games back and forth to the console, this expansion card allows you to keep your games ready to play. The product also boasts slick industrial aesthetics, fitting perfectly with your Xbox console and adding to the cool factor that WD Black is known for.